Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Ka MLA jong seng Congress ka Dr. Ampareen Lingdo kalakam baka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ka babat yo lakam sanchar haga jilla kan sa Khyllem hi haga no maga por bat kala ongru baka seng Congress ka shushong pekka yaki kunrum kanram hapo ka Sorkar MDA ka balaya lamdaw Konrad K Sangma kum menteri rangba haga jing ekran bat kilat patai kubor haga khatwai tarik urumpang arjar arpo ka Dr. Ampareen kala kamru baka jing Khyllem jong ka Sorkar MDA kan saja na ki jingki phalo hapo jong ka Sorkar namar baki sengsan partai ki ba yatre lang hapo ka kunhun jong ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ki layai dawa ban slot no ya katanat kampo yeng nau James PK Sangma kala nangjur ha hagini kisngi.
It would be not in the fitness of things for me, an opposition MLA, to be commenting on the in-house rumbling that is going on in the MDA government of the day. However, as a legislator, I take note of all of the dialogues, all of the comments being made, the narrative that is being built. And as a member of the public, I feel that it is unfortunate to see that these rumblings are now being exposed to the public. It would be in the fitness of things, therefore, for the MDA to take stock of the situation and to make sure that these rumblings do not, spiral off into the public domain, and make sure that the Congress is not going to be blamed for trying to topple any government. Because I'm hearing rumors again and again that the Congress is now trying to break this government, the Congress is trying to do this and that. We are very sorry to say, we have kept ourselves aloof from government formation for one reason. That if this government has to survive, it survives on its own merits. If this government has to fail, it fails on its own demerits. And you cannot blame any other political forces around that is there in the community to be silent spectators all the time. All the allegations that are going on and the entire confusion that is being presented in the media every day makes me feel that I'm happy I'm not a part of government.